Right. Hi! Welcome to our latest vlog. Today we are going to go to Go Ape. And little one is going to go and climb in the trees. So wish us luck. Bye!
Bye bye.
Good girl.
Love you, Mum.
I love you too, honey. Oh, you're a monkey, aren't you? You are a monkey.
To go nice and slow, just walk down to where I am. Yep. Just tiptoe, and just keep on tiptoeing down until where I am here. And then, yep.
And off you go! Whee! Feet up! Feet up! There you go. You don't want to ever lean back. Yes. Grab your next rope. There you go. A few hours later.
Do not come on, or you'll make it wobble. I've not failed once.
Exactly, you've not fallen once.
Have I?
No, exactly. See how safe you are? Good girl.
This was easy.
Yeah, come on.
I could have packed one where they're like, yeah, 6 blue ones, but 5 red.
No. So there was a pack of 5.
Oh.
That went well. Because all the carabiners, those colours will match the
Me and them.
Just wait for me to tell Daddy. Because you're going to go, Daddy, I went to Go Ape. I'm going, yeah, I got video footage of you cacking yourself. Good girl, you need to get one arm on the next swing. Like I showed you. There we go. There we go. Do you reckon I can sneak on?
You can have 2 on.
I know, but she won't let me.
Oh.
I'm taking a little slow.
Fine. Good girl, baby. Woo! Feet up! Feet up!
Again.
You want to go on the zip wire again? Was the zip wire so fun? So, sweetheart, how was that?
Good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What was the most enjoyable part?
When I did the zip line by myself at the end.
Not bad, considering it's the first time she's done this.
And then you got a sticker.
We'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye bye for now.